Global Technology Limited. This is True Voice Edu Academy, True Voice is an educational platform. So today we are going to take you on a very brief new introduction on a sub area in JAM. On a sub area in JAM. No, we are already on the new year and JAM is approaching. As we are enjoying the new year, we are also preparing for the exams. So here are the things for you to note. Things to know when you are writing JAM. Things to know. Things to know. Things to know before writing JAM 2026. You can see that on our search engine. You want to use some of the sub clips here to explain something more better to you. From the result that we have here is that you have to understand how the registration process works. JAM registration generally involves 3 stages: profile code generation, process of EP from authorized vendors such as bank, final registration as approved JAM center. Important reminder: correct any error in your name details, name or date of birth. So we are particularly going to deliberate on this so that people might learn from this particular video. First of all, when you are aiming to write JAM or wishing to write JAM, like the year is approaching now, and then JAM form will soon come out, you need to understand these necessary things which you see on the screen. And then you might ask yourself, how do they even do JAM registration? Because there are a lot of people, or if not 80%, there are 70% of people or 50% of people that don't know how they process JAM until it approaches the date of JAM examination. So you should know that JAM registration is not done based on proxy. It does based on physical capturing registration. It is a person registration. It's not something that they can upload. Somebody can go and register. It's not a replaceable registration. Nobody can go and replace you. So you are the person that will stay in the JAM center and register for your JAM. So you must get all these things right. You must know all these things. And then first of all, like we drop in our some of our video on the platform, we talks about that it is important for students to have his own registration SIM card. Please don't use somebody's SIM cards to register for JAM 2026. To avoid putting yourself in a pressure, to avoid putting yourself in unexpected expenses of money. Please don't use somebody's SIM card to register your JAM 2026. Don't let it be your friend's SIM card or your brother's SIM card or your mom's SIM card. You can even try to manage that, but it's not still more advisable. It's not still more advisable. As far as you are up to 18 years, you are due to register JAM, and then you have your personal name. You have to register your JAM, and you register your SIM card, and then use your SIM card to generate your profile code, which you are going to use and process your PIN. So we are not, for not making this video to be very long, we are going to explain how we are going to generate the profile code in the next video, and in other previous video we are going to explain everything that you are seeing on the screen, because this thing has a lot of things involved inside. So thank you and bye for now. Please like and follow True Voice Edu Academy for your educational tips and basically studies and learning on our platform. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook channel, and every other social media handle that you might be in. Subscribe to True Voice Edu Academy, and then you are not going to regret about it. Share it to your friends.